Prosthetic story time, everybody.
So here's one of those weird little life things that you wouldn't ever think about in your day-to-day. In this arm, I've developed some tennis elbow. It hurts. It's been going on for months. I've done a bunch of stuff to deal with it, and it's not fixed. Now on this hand, I'm missing my fingers. That's permanent. And I've got my cool prosthetic to help me have fingers again. But my prosthetic has recently developed a cracked piece. But guess what? This device comes with spare parts. So I can just switch out the broken part, which is exactly what I'm gonna do now. So I have an Allen key. It's pretty much IKEA around here. And I'm just gonna remove this ring and switch it out for a new ring. Spare parts that came with the prosthetic. Stand by. Fits like a glove, so to speak. Ironically, being able to wear the prosthetic would give you more dexterity to be able to affix the new ring. There we go. There we go. Got things locked tight. There we go, back in business. Digit repaired, tennis elbow, still hurts. Later.
And so ends another prosthetic story.